Hi Fanshawe, I'm Angela with the Interrobang, giving you a recap on the latest news from your official student publication. The Fanshawe Student Union has broken barriers surrounding menstruation by offering free feminine hygiene products in all female and gender-neutral bathrooms in the Student Center and Outback Shack. FSU President Jamoya Smith said that the machines will be monitored regularly and filled every 24 hours with tampons and sanitary napkins for any individual who needs them. In other news, a male-targeted program addressing sexual violence is coming to Fanshawe in November. The program, called Man-Made, was created by Innova, a local advocacy center for survivors of sexual violence. It will facilitate conversations among young men about consent, male sexuality, and gender norms. If you are interested in attending sessions, you can contact Leah Marshall, Fanshawe's Sexual Violence Prevention Advisor, for more information. In Lifestyles, we spoke with Serena Haggerty about performing her own original song at a Shawn Mendes concert and honing her talents in Fanshawe's Music Industry Arts program. You can watch a video of that interview on Interrobang's Facebook page. This time of year can be busy and stressful, so our latest issue focuses on mental health. You can find information on where to find help in and around campus, and also read articles written by our student reporters based off their own experiences. Finally, you'll find in our paper and online updates surrounding the municipal election. We spoke with several mayoral candidates about issues including student housing and bus rapid transit. You'll find more updates on the election in the upcoming weeks in both print and video format. Don't forget to check out our news on the Fanshawe Falcons teams, as varsity sports are now in full swing. That's it for now, but be sure to pick up our latest issue from newsstands and check us out online. You can also follow us on social media for all FSU, Fanshawe, and London-related news. See you next time.